Alright, so for those that forgot, this is the only camera, and in good lighting, it's not bad, pretty decent. Let me try to. Alright, what's going on, guys? How's it going? Markel TV here, going out today with my Surface Duo Original. Show you guys how I use it while I'm out and about. Battery life right now is at 100%. About this scan, this is a SofiGuard scan that I'm using right now. And the only other two devices I'm gonna have with me is the Insta360 Go 2, as well as my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Guys, so I want to talk about this device, man, because this has become my secondary device full time. It was my Pixel 6 Pro, but I have so much fun with this thing because lately I've been getting a ton of emails, as well as planning trips and going to different places. And the fact that you can have these dual screens and you could just pull up things and take care of business so easily. So if I want to book a flight and a hotel at the same time, pull them up on each side, boom, book my flight, boom, book my hotel. This thing has just worked flawlessly. I do all my social media, not photos and videos, but checking my social media, checking YouTube Studio, watching YouTube videos. I used to do that all the time on the iPad, which I still do occasionally on the iPad, but I just find that this thing is just so much fun. It's like getting a new device that I didn't have because I really understand how I'm gonna use it. I don't know how everyone else is gonna use it because I'm not a gamer. You know, I'll play the occasional game on here, but I'm really not a gamer to the point where I can show you demonstrations of different games that I'm playing on here. I don't do that. What I mainly do is just set up my tasks for the day, any appointments that I have, take care of whatever business I have there, then check all of my emails, because I do still help some of my friends with the businesses that they have in Phoenix. So I will get like an estimate and they'll ask me to do a spreadsheet on it. And I'll do that, and I'll actually do it on this device. I've actually edited a couple of videos on this device through PowerDirector. So this thing is great, especially if you like to multitask, you like to do more than one thing at a time. This device is great for that. Now, the battery life since going to Android 12L has improved greatly. I do like all of the extra features that were added on to this device. And there's a lot to go through, and I don't want to do it right now, but I just wanted to do a quick overview in 2023. I didn't get a chance to really do the day in the life. My apologies for that, but I will do it at a later time. But for now, for anyone considering buying the Surface Duo Original, because I don't really like the second version with that camera bump on the back. It takes away from this just being a very thin device. I don't have to worry about scratching those lenses or anything, putting it in my pocket with another device. I just like the thinness of it, the way it looks almost like a passport, how thin it is and how easy it is to use, and that almost all the bugs, I'm not gonna say they're completely wiped out, but most of the bugs on here are gone. You know, when you had the problem before with the orientation, switching sides, it didn't want to go over to the other side. Now it does it pretty much flawlessly, right? Opening it up and both wouldn't come back. Now I don't have that issue anymore. You know, going from one side to the other side, everything seems to work like it's supposed to, like it was originally when it came out. I'm just having a lot of fun with this, and I would say to anyone who can catch this device under $400, even though this device came out in 2020, right? And I got it on the fire sale, what was this, almost 2 years ago now. I still think this is a great device in 2023. Software patches are up to date. Security patches, I think I'm 1 month behind on the security patch. It's still from April, hasn't gone to May yet. But Microsoft is starting to support these devices. I think they're gonna make one more to see how it sells possibly. I will look at it. I doubt if I buy it because I'm having too much fun with this one. Until this one stops getting software updates, I'm going to continue to use this device because I think it's great for the purposes that I use it for. I can't speak for everyone else, all right? But all right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.